Lover with you, love with you. Feels so true, feels so new. Love with you.
Hi mga kachupapi! For today's video, kakain kami sa labas ng bahay. Kasi gawa na tuyo na yung aming pinaint na table. So, sabi ko sa asawa ko, experience naman natin kumain sa labas. Gusto ko nga magpabili ng may gasol, mga kachupapi, para nakakapagluto ko sa labas. Kasi parang feeling ko, pag nagluto ka dito sa bahay, buong bahay amoy. Kaya, tignan mo, nagluluto ako ngayon ng paksiw. Yung bahay namin amoy paksiw na. Pero ito lang mga kachupapi. Madali lang pala magluto ng paksiw. Nakita ko lang sa TikTok. So, bumili lang ako ng isda sa Asian store. At pinakukuluan ko lang siyang ganyan. Gusto ko kasi yung paksiw ko maraming sabaw. Para masarap siya kamayin. Tsaka maraming luya mga kachupapi. Bongga yun. Tikman natin. Hindi ko na pinakita sa inyo kasi mabilis lang naman to gawin. Tikman ko nga ulit. Parang walang lasa. Kailangan yung sili natin tuturugin at para maanghang. Pero mukhang luto na siya. And then, ito yung nakuha ko sa birthday. Ayan, mga kachupapi. Pag wala tayong ulam, nagagamit na kakain natin yung mga ulam na na-take out natin ng mga birthday. Baby, we're done, oh. Let's go. Let's go out. So, nagsaing na rin ako mga kachupapi. Tara, kain muna tayo. Kailangan nakakamay tayo. Para masarap yung kainan. Kain tayo mga kachupapi. Tignan natin kung masarap bang kumain sa labas. Sa labas ng bahay, hindi sa restaurant. Masaya na naman, oh. Saya ka. So, ilipat natin to sa dito. Para pwede nating mabilis lang pala magluto ng paksiw. Favorito ko rin ito mga kachupapi nung bata ako. Yung nanay ko kasi may hilig maggalunggong. Kasi diba dati ang galunggong, malapit lang kasi kami nakatira kami sa sa ilog. So may mga isda doon kinukuha lang. Tapos piniprito, gano'n. Dati lang yung mga kachupapi, yung ilog malinis pa. Pero ngayon, ewan ko lang ngayon. Ito ang ating chicken. Buti na lang nakapag-take out ako ng 4. Tagdalawa tuloy kami nakasama ko. I-air fry ko lang siya kaya medyo malutong-lutong pa rin. Alika na, be! Ang hungry. Kain tayo, kachupapi. I-try natin. Tingnan natin itong ating. Ay, maganda na ng table. Ay, gusto ni Kiki. Mas hindi! Ay, matigas ang ulo mo. Pumasok ka doon. Tignan mo ginawa, oh. Yan, lagi niyang ginagawa pagka bagong labas siya. Magagalit sa'yo yung tatay mo. Magagalit sa'yo yung tatay mo. Ano? Wow, ang ganda na ng table. Tara, kain tayo mga kachupapi. Dito tayo magla-lunch sa labas. Tingnan mga kachupapi yung. Diba? Huwag nyo nang pansinin yung mga nakapalibot kasi hindi siya maganda sa mata. Pero okay lang. Masaya naman tsaka tahimik. O. Dito na lang ha. O, diba? Kain po. Tagal naman ng asawa ko. Si Kiki nakasilip sa nakasilip sa pinto. Ako, hindi ako papakainin. Sabi. Ay, sarap ng natin. Tikman nga natin. Sarap. Ay, karawan.
Hindi na ba yung mahal?
Yeah, get yours. ganda ng table, mga chupapi, no? Pang mayaman. Kahit hindi mayaman yung kumakain, nagmumukhang mayaman. Oh. Come here over here, oh. Go over here a little bit.
Oh, why you put your chair like that?
Dear Heavenly Father, thank you so much for this kain, mga chupapi.
Baby, you have a lot of cat hair on your shirt.
Ano? KB, thank you so much.
Mm-hmm.
Kain tayo, mga chupapi. Gusto ko yung paksiw. Gusto ko yung kinakamay yung paksiw.
What did you put in there?
Eh,
Ginger,
ginger.
beans,
Huh?
or is that pepper? Pepper? Oh. Onions. What else?
Chili.
Okay.
Ginger. Vinegar. Don't eat the fish because there's a lot of
There's a lot of bones.
yeah, bones. Kalimutang makachupapi. Masarap kasi yung yung bangus na walang tinik. Yung hiwalay na siya, yung hati na siya sa gitna. Yun na lang minsan yung gagawin kong paksiw. Kasi yung sa gantong hati. Kasi may mga
Soy
siya.
sauce?
May mga tinik. Sarap. Malamang, hindi ako nagluto niya. Sarap makachupapi. Kain. Yummy. It's good. Sarap kapag nakakamay. Naku, magugutom. Manonood sa akin.
It's good homemade chicken. Let's hope the paint on the table lasts. I don't know how good the paint is.
That is my first time to eat here. Like this.
Now we can eat outside. We have table. Especially if it's on a nice day. If there's not too many flies.
Ang sarap ng sabaw. Sarap makachupapi. Kakain sana kami sa labas. Kakain kami ng kapon. Kaya lang yung kinakainan namin, close siya every Wednesday. Kaya okay lang din. At least nakakain kami ng ganito sa bahay. Libre lang, wala pang gastos. Diba? We should do it every day.
Do this every day. Lunch after work.
Sarap, makachupapi. Lalo na pag nakakamay ka kasama mo asawa mo. Tapos nakakain ka sa fresh air, no? Very fresh. Ano tayong Tagaytay?
Beautiful today. We have shade.
I'm glad we didn't cut the tree.
We cut the tree, no shade back here.
Yeah. Mainit na ngayon makachupapi para siyang Pinas. Kasi di ba lang anghang? One more chicken?
You don't want to eat?
Ayun. What's that? I
Mm-hmm.
thought it was a bird.
Somebody's car. Sounds like a giant bird, right?
Sarap ng paksiw. I'm gonna eat more.
You like it?
Ang dami ko kasi luya nilagay eh. Yung paksiw mga kachupapi, nag-ano siya, mamantika siya. Next time magpapaksiw ako yung walang tinik para mas masarap kumain. Ako mga kachupapi habang nanonood siya, kumain natin kayo. Huwag na kayo mahiya. I said while they're watching, they should eat. Diba? Para sabay-sabay tayo kumakain. Sarap pala kumain ng ng tanghalian dito sa backyard namin, no? Malamig. Fresh air. Buti wala pang mga langaw. Nakikisama din. Wala langaw mo, makachupapi.
You want more water?
Mm. Sarap niya makachupapi. Mala kayo dyan. Kaya na mag-vlog. Gutom na gutom eh, no? Thank the Lord. Sarap ng ulam namin.
I'll make some more later.
Ang laki na yun siya ng asawa. Maybe your tummy so big na.
You go inside, baby.
Maybe ano,
What is it? What is it?
okay. Wala lang. Wala tayo, ako lang kumain ng paksiw. Buti na lang konti lang na isda yung niluto kong paksiw. Alam mo yung asawa ko yung luya?
Let me stay here with you.
Mm. Wala, and then flies.
You saw flies?
Mm.
It's okay. Usually when it's a little windy like this, the flies, they don't come around. But when the wind is very like calm and the air is stale and it's humid, the flies are all over the place. Nasty flies. They're like, and then the minute you get mad, they'll, and then when you're not alert, and then you think that they're gone, they're and I swear they try to piss you on purpose. They go, and then when you move this, and then and then when you're going back to eating, the
Baby, did you put the arca in the garage?
just the infinity. I'm gonna work on it Friday.
Okay.
That was delicious. Satisfying. See some ants coming back. I'm gonna have to. I think maybe that granular actually really worked because they're kind of gone now.
Yeah.
But some of them, there's still probably some survivor left because I saw a few coming back. So I'm gonna have to put some more. Maybe on Friday when it's nice and hot out. I'm gonna put some more. They're gonna carry it deep down into their colony, and it's gonna be candy for everyone. And then before they know it, it's too late.
Wala na nga. Wala na yung sumisira na ano na. I didn't see. Oh.
Well, there was some. I saw anthill just in the near our property in the front. So there's some survivors left. But they eat those like candy. They carry it.
They think it was sugar.
Yeah, but it's actually poisonous.
Yeah.
They take it, they carry it, they go under the colony, they feed it to their babies, they feed it to the queen, they eat it too, and then before you know it, everybody's like, I don't feel so well after 24 hours. Because they say usually if it works after 48 hours, they're gone.
Forever.
Yeah, they're gone after 48 hours. They all die. They die inside their colony. And the complex system that they dig inside, you'd be surprised, it's freaking crazy. Like,
Yeah.
I didn't even know how crazy it was. Remember they showed a video when they were digging?
Mm.
It was an ant colony. But it's an old one. All the ants are gone already. But it must be really, really old because that one is like frozen in time.
Mm.
So that's why it's preserved. And ants are pretty smart too. They pick areas where they can dig their colony and it's not going to collapse. They don't pick just anywhere, because if you don't have a good area and you start digging, it's just going to collapse and then everything gets destroyed. They get crushed on the inside.
Mm.
So they pick location where the sand is good, the land is stable, so that it won't collapse.
I like the stable.
You like it?
Mm.
I'm a little bit disappointed because it's wobbling. You know what I mean? It's not good. Even the chair's a little bit wobbling, but I don't know. I guess it's old. It's wobbling because it's bent. That's why. That's okay, I guess. I mean, can't
You
fix it
cannot
now.
fix.
I can't fix it now. I mean, I can try to bend it, but if I bend it too much, then the other one will not be balanced. So then they'll start rocking the other way.
You know, I never see oil leak in your car.
There is, but it's very small. Like if I stop and I park for a while, the small drip will come, and then you'll see it's on the ground. So, but it's not coming from the valve cover.
Unlike
anymore.
before.
Yeah, it's not like before. But it's not coming from the valve cover gasket. I saw already it's coming from it's like a sensor, a bolt sensor that's behind the oil filter. It's also leaking from
Baby, I
there.
cannot, walk. Help me. Let's go inside. So mga chupapi, tapos na kayong kumain. Ako ng panghimagas. Ano tayo ng himagas dito mga chupapi? Ito. Dark chocolate. Medyo maano kasi yung kinain ko. Medyo maanghang na maasim. Kaya kailangan kong kumain ng medyo matamis. Anyway, mga kachupapi, ang sarap kumain sa labas. Very fresh air. Parang gusto ko tuloy lakad-lakad. Parang kasi hindi ako matutunawan. Do you wanna walk? Hindi na yung ano, no? Wanna walk?
Go walking?
You wanna walk?
Am I gonna go walk? Maybe in a little bit, okay? Let's rest a little bit. Wanna go walking? We can go walking.
Lakad-lakad kami mga kachupapi kasi yung maging maging malaki, malapad.